Joseph invests 3,200 in a special savings bond. After 2 years, the money is worth $8, where A is given by 3,200 times 1.12 to the power of 0.5t. How much money will Joseph have after 8 years? After how many years will he double his money? Okay, so if we solve A is equal to, well, we have that A is equal to 3,200 times 1.12 to the 0.5t. After 8 years, the money will be worth 3,200 times 1.12 to the 0.5 times 8. So that's 3,200 to 1.2 to the power of 4, which gives an answer of $5,035. We want the amount to double, which means if it doubles, we want to know when it is equal to 6,400. So if we put 6,400 into this and then solve the equation, so 6,400 is equal to 3,200 times 1.12 to the 0.5t. If we divide this, we will get that 2. Notice we wanted it doubled, so that will be interesting that we've got 2 there, is equal to 1.12 to the 0.5t. So equations where the unknown is in the power, we normally take logs. So we're going to take logs to the base 10. So both sides, so log of 2 is equal to log of 1.12 to the 0.5t. Law of logarithms says now I can bring the power down in front of the log. So we've got log of 2 is equal to 0.5t log of 1.12. Therefore, t will be equal to... Now, if you divide by half, that's the same as multiplying by 2. So it becomes 2 log 2 divided by log of 1.12. And that will give 12.23. So we want to know after how many years. So then we'll have to round that up to 13 years. Therefore, 13 years are needed. So this has been a video to show how long it will take a person to double their money. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.